Not so long ago, no one really cared about how a blog looked. Today, people actually pay attention to how well a blog is laid out. If your blog looks unprofessional or confusing to the visitors, you can be sure they're not going to stick around. So it's very, very important that you have a clean layout. You can have a one column layout with content right in the middle. You can have a two-column layout with a sidebar either on the left side or the right side. And then you can also have a three-column layout with sidebars on both sides. My favorite is the two-column layout with a sidebar on the right. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you why that's so. So the one column is great. Okay, there's nothing wrong with it. It makes the content to get all the attention, no distractions. Okay, this is great for personal stories. The only problem, according to me, of using a one column layout for business blog is it doesn't offer you real estate to place promotional banners. Remember, the whole idea of business blogging is to attract potential clients with the ultimate goal of making sales. With this layout, you only have the option of mentioning your services or adding banners within the content itself. And the two column with a sidebar on the left, I would use it if the contents of a blog are really long and there is need to have a static table of content to the left. Another scenario where I would use this is if the blog is in Arabic. Okay, apart from Arabic, I don't know if there's any other language that is read from the left. No, not the left, from the right to the left. Yeah, from the right to the left. So to some extent, having a sidebar on the left will distract readers from the real article. Thirdly, the three-column blog layout. Blog layouts with sidebars on both sides are just congested to me. Most blogs that use this format are monetized through ads, so it makes sense for them to have the maximum ad spaces by having sidebars on both sides. That leaves us with the two column with a sidebar to the right. Okay, so this layout makes the content the most important part of the page. Then you can have banners and other contents, maybe subscription forms in the sidebar, okay, which is on the right side. And this is my winner for any business blog layout. Of course, in the end, it will all depend on personal preferences, but I had to show you the different layouts so that you can see what best works for you, what fits your business, what fits your blog, and use it. In the next video, we're going to talk about blog planning, and we'll start with blogging strategy.